Hello and welcome to another episode of my Sunday series. Today we are going to be making Zaalouk. It's a Moroccan dish that is super tasty and smoky, and I like to add a bit of extra Halloumi cheese just because that saltiness is perfect combination with that meal. So start off by adding some olive oil in your pan, followed by your garlic and your cumin powder. Mix it and then let it fry for a good 2 minutes. After that, add your chopped tomato, mix it well, and then followed by your tomato paste and chili paste. Add them all together, mix everything, and then add your sweet paprika and your fresh thyme and mix it all together and then cook it for a few minutes. Now this dish is perfect for Ramadan or perfect for Sohour as well. So add your brown sugar and let it cook for a good 5 minutes until it reduces. Add your water with your bay leaves and let it reduce for another good 15 minutes. After that, add your roasted aubergine. Now, if you're doing it for Suhur and you want something really quick, buy these smoked roasted aubergine jars. They are so good and so tasty and they cut the job by half. Or you can make your own roasted aubergine. Add some salt and let it to cook for another 15 minutes. In the meantime, start grilling your halloumi cheese with some ghee until they're golden on both sides. Serve it with warm pita bread and enjoy. And I'm telling you, this dish is super tasty, super easy, and it's perfect addition. It will last in your fridge for a few days, and you can access this recipe right now on my website. The link is in my bio. Feel free to save it and share it with your friends and family. See you next week.